Every day you rely on your car to get to work, take care of your families, and keep life moving. But most vehicles are out of warranty, and unexpected repairs can throw everything off. Toco at Work is a benefit designed for today's mobile workforce. It provides employees with real protection for their vehicles, including major repair coverage, concierge support, and rental or rideshare coordination when a breakdown strikes. It's straightforward coverage that keeps you financially secure and helps you get where you need to go. You rely on your car every day, but what happens when it breaks down? Meet Bob. It's 8:24 a.m. His car dies on the way to work. $200 for a tow truck. He scrambles to book a ride just to get to the office. He shows up late, he's stressed, and he missed an important client meeting. Then comes the repair bill, $2,385. He doesn't have the money. Now he's overwhelmed. And considering payday loans and 401k withdrawals to soften the blow to his savings account. For many employees, a breakdown isn't a hiccup. It's a financial crisis. What if Bob's company offered Toco at Work? Now, meet Sally. Same kind of morning, same engine problem, different ending. At 8:15, her engine gives out. She calls Toco. By 8:40, Toco has arranged towing and a ride share. She gets to work in time for an important finalist meeting and seals the deal. $2,385 paid by Toco directly to the repair shop. No stress, no financial hit. The difference: Sally has Toco, Bob didn't. Toco makes breakdowns easy to handle. Call us. We'll get you a tow and a ride. We pay the shop directly. No paperwork, no stress. When breakdowns happen, don't let them break you down. Toco keeps employees protected and on the road. Toco at Work. Trusted, proven, ready when you need us.